is something people can. I'm going to do this and I'll put this out there to show it. All right, let me move that over. Okay, so I'm in your PBS. All right, guys. And so this is yours. And I'm gonna go to visit site. We don't need to modify anything at the moment. We got a lot of things to market. You've been modifying your pages for months. You've been really on this. We do need to get Response Magic added to this. We haven't done that yet, correct?
No, I don't believe we have. Sorry, I'm a bit of a slow goer.
No, it's all good. So what we're gonna do is let's get that added. I'm going to let's see. So there's account information that we got to do. So I'm going to show you that. We're going to go to rr247.com/RR. And I'm just going to sign up for you because I have all your information. I'm going to do it off. I'm going to do it off camera so people don't see your information. But this is where they sign up for it. So it's actually step 5. And we're going to click here. It's step 5. And let's click here to go to Response Magic.
Okay.
Why they're not SSL, I don't know, but we're going to sign up for a free account. Right. And I'm going to put all your information in here. I'm going to move it to my other screen. So that bear with me. I'm going to go ahead and sign up your account, and I'll email you your username and password later for it. Okay, Matt?
Okay, I better make it the business email. The other ones really
yeah.
We're just
I know exactly what password to use. We're gonna use the same one we did for Savings Highway. Okay.
Nice.
And I might have to put something else up, but anyway, I'll email it to you so you have it. We're on a live share, so I don't want to share it now, but I'm going to sign you up. So give me a second.
Okay.
Okay, that's set up. You're going to get an email to confirm here in a second.
Yeah.
So I just got to put the rest of your information in. It does ask what your business or the purpose is, and I always answer. It says select a business type. We are a cause or community. We're a blogging community, so that's what we use.
Blogging community.
Yep. But I already answered it for you.
Okay.
And we're signing up for the free account, and there's no cost until you have 100+ users. At that time, the revenues we're usually making from the system are more than enough to justify the $10 a month for it. So right now it's free, there's no cost, and that's where we want it to be. So I'm going to bring this back over here. I'm going to move this over out of the way. You guys don't see that. And I'm in your system now, and we're literally going to copy what I have on rory3.com. And that's fine. Right here, this is Response Magic. We're creating this form right here. So I'm going to copy this. Actually, I'm going to go back to Response Magic. First, we're going to modify your list. So we're going to modify manage email lists. And your system you have an awesome domain. So he's got a VIP domain, guys, of xxy4.com. And this is going to be community members. And
Should I be writing this down?
nope, I'm doing it all for you. And we're going to literally put that as your list description and the same thing. And then Matt Morrison. And then your from email, I'm going to add and we'll send that out there. And your confirmation email is going to be your thank you email. So it's https:// xxy4.com/thank-you. And then your email address will be in here. Oh, but let me do this. Let me hit update. And let me move this over here while I add your email address. If I show content or information, then YouTube literally will delete it. So let me make sure I protect that. It's your business email, so it's fine. You're going to get an email address sent there, Matt. So if you could log into your Gmail and just approve that, that'd be great.
Okay, so I do that right now.
Yeah, go ahead and do that now. That'll update this. Well, wait for a second. I'm going to come here. I'm going to go to create email opt-in form. And this is what I need to create. So this is fine. We're not showing anything. And this is what we're going to use. We're going to go to Rory 3. I'm going to copy this register to be updated. We're going to use the same verbiage I used. The list we're going to use is the only one you have. You only need one list. That's fine. Here's your headline. And obviously it's XXY4. And we're going to make the headline color blue. We don't need red. And I need to say choose. And that puts that there. The call to action, we're going to copy mine. Copy. We're going to paste that right here. And then we're going to add an additional question of telephone. And we want the first name to be mandatory. I like to get first and last name really, but we want their email address and I like to get their phone number. But I'm going to make all 4 mandatory. Like if they don't want to give us all that information, I just don't want to put them on the list. I want to make sure they really want to be there. So this is fine. We're going to say be in the know as your submit button. Be in the know. And I'm going to come down here to Facebook. This doesn't really work, so I'm going to say no. And Matthew Morrison. And or xxy4.com. Permission to send me future emails. We add that there. And then we don't want to get notified on all of them. And once they fill it out, we want to go to our thank you page, which is https://xxy4.com/thank-you. That page. Now I'm looking at everything. It looks great. That's there. There's that. There's this there. I'm going to hit submit and get code. I'm going to click on the code and I'm going to copy it. And we want this code right here. Now I'm going to take that code and I'm going to go into your back office. And here's the fun thing is you never need to do this again. I'm just going to do it for you, Matt, but this is how it is. I'm going to go to your dashboard.
Okay.
I'm going to go to your appearance and widgets. I'm going to close that off. On the left of the menu, we need to put a search bar in here anyway. So let me do that first. I'm going to browse all. We're going to find the search right there. And then we're going to come here and we're going to go custom HTML. So I got to browse that. That's down a little bit right there. And in the custom HTML, I'm going to put the response magic code and I'm going to hit update because you can only update one section at a time. And this says left of menu, but it's really not. Okay, this is a custom thing we did, but so that's that one. The right content bar already has a search bar. And here we're going to do the custom HTML and we're going to put response magic there as well. Now I'm going to hit update and that's in there. It's all ready to go. And I'll explain this. Your response magic is now placed on your site. The only other time we're going to come into widgets is when we get your approval from Google AdSense and we'll come place that here. And I'll help you do that as your instructor as well. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to go to visit site. And now guess what? There's your response magic.
Awesome. Thanks, Rory.
And now when I click on Arts Entertainment, it's there too. So that's out of the way. That's done. I'll send you your access points to that. And then from here, we're going to need to manage your list, create the emails that go out. And that's something I'm going to teach you and everybody in another marathon. There's homework for you that I'll give you to do that with, but we're not going to do that today. Okay.
Okay.
Right now, we have a way to capture people. That's all we need for right now. So that's out of the way. Perfect. You guys saw me do that, and everybody did. Now we're going to go to start placing ads. And the thing why we want to do that is when we place ads, we want people to be able to opt in here. We want them to. So that's out of the way. That's one more step for you. Now let's go to ad placement. So I use classifieds for free a lot. If it'll let me type it. I use it a lot. Sometimes it's down. If it's broken, don't try to use it. Just come back later, a week, a month, whatever it is. I'm going to try to log in right now.
So I do need an account to use it.
You need to set up an account. It's free.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay, I'm going to stop my video because my internet is saying I need more output. So let's see if that makes a difference. While that's pulling up here, this is your response magic. We're going to be in here to modify your email list and manage your email list and all that. Well, you and I'll do this later. We don't need this anymore. It's already placed. That's done. I'm going to close that. This is my site. We don't need to see my site really, other than we did all the stuff, but eventually you're going to have all the Google AdSense and all the things to make money. We're knocking things out. So there we go. See this? When there's an issue, I just come back later. I hope he's going to fix it. I trust that he will, but this one doesn't work. So now I'm going to go place ads somewhere else, right? So when I go to RR247, right here, there's a place called free traffic sites.
Okay.
And on the free traffic sites, there's classifieds for free. And I was using this a lot yesterday. So something just happened. I'll check it later. That's all we can do. And meanwhile, I'm going to come down here. We've got all sorts of other places. So here's classifiedads.com. I think we got to pay for some of these. US net ads is the ones I like to use the most. And I got templates for this. And so what I'm going to do is I'll show you a template. So let me go to that. I'm going to come here. I'm going to go to the headlines and ads training.
Yeah, I couldn't figure out those templates.
Oh, well, that's why I know that. I made a note here. So we're going to go do that together. So I'm going to come in here and you've got you got a backup system, right? I think I have it. XXY4 backup. Okay. So we're going to work on the Savings Highway Global ads for you because that's the program you got in. Let's focus on that, okay?
Yeah, they've been sending me a lot of mails and text messages about meetings that
They do. They do send out a lot. They do send out a lot. So I'm going to come here to Rory3.com. Here's where I like to post all my ads, and this is in shopping, okay? And I'm literally going to make a copy of this page. So I'm going to go. I'm going to make a copy of it, but as my VIP Matt, I'm going to make a folder for Matt for you. Let me do that. I'll be right back here. Let me move it out of the screen.
Okay.
All right, so let me create this. I'm going to create a new folder. Matt and XXY4. Okay. I'm gonna try my video again and see if the internet connection is good. So I created a folder. It's called Matt and xxy4.com ad posting. Okay. Now I'm gonna take my template here that I've got done, and I'm literally gonna make a copy of the template because it's great for SHG ad posting. So we're gonna use the same one. I'm gonna come here and I'm literally going to file. I'm gonna make a copy, and I'm gonna call it xxy4.com SHG ad posting, and I'm gonna put today's date on it. 7.26.2023. And I'm going to put it right inside your folder that I just made, that I shared with you, Matt, so you'll have access to this.
Thanks.
And I'm going to make a copy. All right.
So
And
how
here,
can you make it into my docs?
it's just how that program allows us to work. So I'm going to get rid of all these because I'm not posting mine, I'm posting yours. And that's for shopping there. And this is the network. So what I'm doing is I'm deleting the work I did. We're gonna use this template for yours. Make sense?
I guess so, yeah.
So I'm gonna show you how I do it. So I'm clearing out all the stuff that I did on mine, making this a blank template, which is actually something I should make another copy of, but that's okay. Actually, I'm gonna do that. Let me make another copy. And I want to put this right there. Okay, that'll be good for everybody else. I need that for other training, so that's good. I got that done. Here's yours. This is yours. And the theme for this is going to be SHG. And I can literally copy that down all the way down. These are all SHG ads here. And then in the network, business services and everything else, advertising service. This is also going to be SHG. And I can copy that all the way down. And I believe this is US Net Ads. This is for two different versions of the ad. So we're going to write that together. I'm going to show you how I do that.
Okay.
And I'm going to go here. I just lost. Okay, so right here, this is the folder we're doing your ads in. Okay, I shared
Right.
this with you. I also put this so I can teach it to others that have access to this main folder. I'm going to create a new Google Doc, create and share. Okay, and I'm going to do it all together. So this is going to be ad. I'm going to call it SHG. So I'll go, so SHG ad headlines and ad description. And I'll put today's date, even though these are going to be universal to use. Okay. And I have a new way I've been building templates. So I'm going to do yours in the new way. And this is going to be good for everybody. So here's what I got. I got the business opportunity and other business ads. And we have two versions of all this. So we have two versions. So I'm just going to copy this. Go to my template. There we go. Okay. So we have these, those are the categories we got. And then I also have it in, so let's see. Sorry. We got it here. That's mine. Here's yours. And so we got the business opportunity, and we also got the shopping. And shopping has far more things. So I'm going to copy those. And I'm going to help you get the whole structure and everything. Okay. I can cover that. I can cover that. Okay, close that, close that. Okay. So I've got all this. I've got there's your document. Let me click away. And we got the shopping. I want to paste unlinked. These are all the ones we got to write the templates for. That's our headline. I am going to get cute with it. And then I'm going to break this down. And we need two versions of it. And what I say two versions is, you'll notice on the template, I got shopping here, and we go all the way down to yellow. Oh, I don't actually. Hold on. Shopping, I don't. Network, okay. So network, we have two versions. Over here we have one version. And
two anyway.
I almost want to do two.
Okay.
It's more work. Let's do two versions, okay?
All right.
We like more work. So your version is going to have two. So let me copy all this again. And two versions, you can't do them all the same. You got to wait time. Like, you can only place 7 ads on the network. And after you do 7 ads, you got to wait and come back.
Why
So
only 7?
That's their limit. It's their limit. If not, you got to change the URL you're using. And I just find that if you do 7, like, so you'll do 7 on this one, and then you'll come do 7 on this one, and then you'll do 7 on this one, and then by the time you're done with all doing the 7, then you can come back and do another 7, and then another 7. It's you just have to know the rules. They only allow you to submit so many with that same URL, and there's ways around it. But the best thing to do is just do the next one and come back to the other one, because after you wait for a while or the next day, you can do it again.
Okay.
All right. All right. So all right, so that's just what it is now. Like, in network, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can do them all. There's not too many. But shopping is so big, right? Shopping is so big. So we're going to be doing different ads. We got to get that set up, and then we'll start posting the ads. And so to help you out with this, I'm going to create the ad template for you to use right here on all of them. Okay. So we got this first one. Antiques and art. And auctions. I can type them out. Auctions, books, camera and photo. And I'm gonna make it so it's just easy to copy and paste. And this takes time to set up initially. But the thing about it is now you have this that you can do over and over again, or you can modify it and do it again and again and again with modifications. It makes it so much easier if you do the work right the first time.
So I can only do the same one or so 7 times or such.
You can only post the same domain 7 times in a certain period of time is all. Like, I'll explain it. This is how we're using USNet ads, since the other one's down right now, right?
Yeah.
So, and this is a great one. I would tell you to do this one anyway. And you want to post in as many places as you can, not just one place. But this helps. It helps prime the pump. It helps get stuff out there. And what really matters is the headline, and then what I call the article, which is the ad, which is the teaser to get them to click to go to our system. So all of these are here, and these are all things we're going to say Savings Highway Global thing on. And music and stereo. Online shopping. Toys. That. Video games. Wholesale. Other shopping ads. And we want to place in all the categories. We do. So we're gonna make ads for all of those. Okay.
Okay.
Now we got the other ones. These ones are easier, and we're gonna do two of them. We're gonna do two on both. These ones are just easier because there's this less. I wish there was more. More ads, the better. But in business opportunities, we're gonna definitely advertise Savings Highway Global there. Copy. Okay. And other business ads. And I got to do two copies of it. So I'm going to do this. And in between them, I'm going to, I'll do a bracket just so I can break it up. And we'll do it up here too. So here I need add title, add description. And then I need the URL we're going to use up here too. It can be purple. I'm going to go a little bit bigger actually, and line it left. And I'm going to come here and we're going to probably use your savings page. So savings and benefits page, that's the URL we're going to send them to. This one right here.
All right.
Okay. That's the one we're going to market. So I'll put that here. I'm going to put that there. And then we're going to use the same one on the second set too. Or what we should do is send them to a different URL. So let's go look at what else you have. You have the savings, we have the travel. So let's go to all things travel, or travel, it's fine. It's a travel page. So travel and more is travel for less. It should just be travel. Yep, this page. So we're gonna market just the travel savings, even though it does both, but we'll do travel. So the second set, we're gonna focus on that URL. So we have different pages. So we're gonna do this. The second set, we're gonna use that page. That makes sense?
I think so. Yeah.
It'll make more sense. We're doing this now. And this is like what I was doing. So that should be description. There we go. Now this right here, this right here, I'm gonna make it well. That's a placeholder. I'm gonna have a little bit of fun. This we should make bold. This we
Okay.
should make bold. Bold. And this we should make at least a 12. And we'll make it blue. And I'm gonna do that with all of these. So let's see. Bold 12 in blue. And then we have this, which is just standard control. This makes sense when I start doing it. I'm trying to be really organized and I like it to be clean. And what's really good about this is we all can learn from it. We all want to have different ads, but it's easier to modify than come up from scratch sometimes. And this will be a really good thing to play with.
Yeah, so what I'm getting so far is I'm pick a category, then add a title and description to it.
Well, you'll see you'll see when I start placing ads. You'll see what I'm talking about. And then you're gonna be able to start placing ads like crazy, which is what we want to be doing.
Okay.
Okay. So that's there. And this is all done. I'm literally gonna copy this because I just did it. I'm gonna copy it to antiques. I'm just gonna copy over the old one I just did because there's no need to do the work twice. So that's there because we're doing two different versions, right? So that's fine. And I'm gonna come down here as well. I'll copy that and I'm gonna do it on here, right? Space and advertising service. We're gonna go 12 bold blue, right? And then this.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do the same here. 12 bold
Blue.
blue. And then I'll paste this in there. Copy, paste. And I'm going to copy this. I'm literally going to make a copy of this
Yeah.
because this is a great template.
I'll be back in a second.
Go ahead. I'll keep cranking this out. So I'm going to put this here too, so that people can utilize that. Okay, now I'm going to go to his, and this is I'll just put a little explanation on that, bold, and find a good color. Okay. So now I'm gonna start writing them all out there. Now I'm gonna do something that I really like to do. I'm gonna go into Chat GPT, and I'm literally gonna come up with some additional titles. And I like to do this. I can come up with them all the time, but I really like to do that. And then the description. So we'll make this awesome. Now, US Set Ads is what we're gonna market. It's already set up in the template. And I don't need this right now. This is Response Magic. We did that. So I'm gonna go into chat. I shut the log back in. Oh, I guess not. I'm gonna go to 4. And I'm gonna do my message. So how many do I need? I'm gonna close mine down. I'll come back to that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the business. I need 12. So I'll do the business ones first. And as a marketer, please create 12 eye grabbing headlines to interest people into making Money online. Actually, I'm gonna be broad and see what it comes up with. Okay, so these all look great. So I'm literally gonna copy and paste them, right?
Wait, did that all do that automatically?
Yeah, this is artificial intelligence. I just asked it to do those. So I like these. So I just created those, right? So I want the stuff in between the parentheses. Okay. I'm gonna copy it and we're gonna make ads. So I'm literally like I'm gonna show you like you don't need to be these artificial intelligence things are amazing. So this is Chat GPT. There's other ones coming out, of course. So I'm gonna come here to our template. Where's our template here? And I did the business. I feel like doing the business one first. So I'm gonna come there. Here's our ad title. There's one. There's two. Yeah, you set the way I went all artificial intelligence on you. Now I come up with great headlines. I've been doing copywriting for a long time, but even this makes me just like I'm just in awe on how quick and easy and fun it is. So I'm gonna keep coming here. You have to know how to ask, you have to know how to prompt it. There's a lot that be said for that. In our Brain Food Academy, we're gonna be having we're gonna be teaching how to use this stuff. Yeah, this is one of those things that like early adopters we're already running with it. And then a lot of other people are going to lose their jobs because of artificial intelligence for real. And and by the time they figure out how to use it, I mean, it's just one of those things that you just got to invest time and energy to learn. And we'll be teaching it all the time here. Like this is just incredible how this works.
Okay.
Yeah, we can do entire offer pages with this. You need to modify it to make it your own still. You still got to tweak some things because, Google, you still got to do some originality to it, but it can really save you some time on subjects and topics and give you a lot of stuff to work on. Okay, so I did that. Okay. And now I'm going to go back to Chat GPT and I'm going to say, please, I'm going to put as a marketer, please write we're going to go like 50. We're going to write 100 word. Sorry, xxy4.com /. I'll just use that and I'll fix the forward slash I can fix. You see forward slash. Yeah, I can fix it.
So is that for me or the people I bring in?
Each of the above headlines. Hold on one second. I don't, this may not be the right prompt. Bear with me. That worked perfectly. So now it's making an individual ad for every one of those headlines.
Really?
Yeah. In order. We did 12. See that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't get to teach this on Saturday, so it's good we're doing this here now. It'll be a good thing to share. So this is what happens on VIP hour, guys. So this is all done. Now, the only thing is this link needs a change.
And this is
I'll
on
show-
the dashboard?
This is a new this is a different program called it's called Chat GPT.
Yeah.
But I'm creating your headlines for you to market. So this is the one for here. This is the description that matches that headline. And it goes to your domain / and we're doing actually I think we're going to the savings and benefits. So I got to come change that. It's fine. We're sending them to here. So they're all going to go here. I'll just go ahead and place that here. Yeah, I'll copy and paste it. You'll see what I mean. All right, so I'm going to come back and forth. I'm going to do this. I want everything in between the parentheses. So this is the second one. And then I just got to exit this and replace this with that. Some places we can't post the domain, but where we're posting and marketing, we can. So I have that there. We go to the next one, which is the investment one. So I go to the investment one right here. Copy. That's where we want to send them. So now I'm going to go to make money. Hold on, I messed up here. Hold on. This one goes up here. Or less. Wait, hold on. Okay. All right. Let me I put that. See, I skipped one. I'm out of order. So 1, 2, 3. The fourth one goes there. Okay, so marketing and sales. That's it. Yep. So I did it so it made sense for the headlines. You just have to know how to prompt it. I mean, this was brilliant. Put the domain in. And then Matt, you're gonna have a lot of posting work to do, but you're just gonna be copying and pasting.
Yeah. Okay.
You'll see what I mean. You'll be, we'll get there. So money making. I'm gonna go here. I don't want the parentheses. And this is like, I make this look really simple, and it really is, but you know, you got this to run with. You're gonna post these ads, and then you're gonna be able to post these in other places. So you're gonna do these on the USNet ads, but you can use these same ads to post in other places. Like that's the beautiful part about it.
Oh, so I can post the same ads just in different into areas.
Different sites completely, right? Like, yeah. It's your ad.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm doing it for you, but it's it. Okay, so that's the first set. Now we're in the second set. Hidden truth right here. Copy. And I'm gonna come back and fix all the links after I get them all done. This is probably quicker. Copy. Okay, now I'm gonna go grab our link. That's the link you want to use, not this one. I could have had it do it, but it's okay. And actually, this is the second set. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, so those ones are ready to post. And now I'm gonna do these ones. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19. 1, 2, 3, 19. Okay. Odd number. Okay, so there's 19. So now I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna use this, but I'm also gonna use this. So I'm gonna copy this. And I need 19. I actually need twice that. So I'm gonna do 19. I need twice that, but which is pushing the limits, just so you know. And we're gonna do 19 based on savings and benefits, and the other is gonna be based on travel. So we're doing two different ones. So so there it goes. As a marketer, okay, see all that? So so now I'm gonna try to copy these faster. Oh my gosh, there we go. I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna go to our template. And actually, I'm gonna go back and forth. It's probably quicker. Oh, I grabbed the wrong stuff anyway. There we go. So copy, and I'm on the first set. So that's the title. I go to the next one. And that's the title. I'm just in order because I'm gonna do the next thing in order. So having access to all these artificial intelligence services is one thing. You just have to know how to use them. And that's what I'm showing you something that's pretty amazing here. Let's see, 15. And even though it's going into toys, this is all good. And I can make it even more specific for each one. But these are usually working all of them. Like I'm just showing, this is pretty simple once you know how to do it, right? Like operating AI is one thing. And I make it look really easy, but I also practice a lot and do a lot. You can see I have a ton of things I've been doing already. Matt, for you, you're going to have some amazing ads to go run. Your job is to get them out everywhere.
Okay.
Like we're literally writing like 100 different ads to go post right now. This is like incredible. I mean, I'm not even this fast. I just knew what to ask, right?
Okay.
So yeah, this service is worth every penny. Every penny. So I should have two more. And I went top to bottom because sometimes I like to do that. Works out the same. Now I'm gonna come here. And I'm gonna save myself a step and have it do that and go. And it's giving us our content right now for all of them in order.
Those are our descriptions.
Yep.
Yeah, this is amazing.
I know it's phenomenal, right? And now I wait for it to get done before I interrupt it, and then I'm gonna go copy all these in, and then I'm gonna do and we have one more set to do. And then I'm gonna show you how to place the ads, and then you're gonna do that. Now you don't have the memes to market with. So you're gonna have to get a different image, and I'm gonna have to email that to you. So
Yeah, I don't think I had images. I kind of got a whole list of notes here I had to take about all that stuff
you
from the
you
other
you
day.
got them, but I'm gonna get you some photos to use for this. So hold on.
Okay.
So
Well, I have
copy
to.
and paste. I don't want to get the parentheses. I want to get everything in between.
Okay.
And I'm reading these over and they're just fine. Like it does such a great job. And we don't have to worry about these aren't being put on blogging pages. So we don't have to worry about the uniqueness as much. These are ads that we're placing to get people to our pages. And that's books. And we could go even more specific, but like you're literally going to have so many ads to go place. And this is for you, this would be perfect. I don't like to put a period after the domain, so I took that off on purpose. Same with that one. I got a period in there I want to get rid of. Got it. And that one's done. And now we have one more set to do, which is on the travel. So, so we're gonna get a little creative on this. Do the same thing. 19 eye grabbing, so the same one.
So why 19 in particular?
Because there's 19 different areas to market. There's 19 different places to post on the
Okay.
one system. That's why it's 19. So like, I'll show it to you. There's 19 different items. That's why.
Oh, right.
So there's 19. I'm gonna start from number 1. Copy. Paste. Copy. Paste. A lot of copy and pasting. Matt, this is a lot of work. Like I knew I could do it quick using this. I've been wanting to show this part off. I just ran out of time on the mini marathon. So this is a win because it's helping you out a ton. It's also showing a lot of people how to do this.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah, and then you get to go paste. You get to go post these ads, and I'm going to show you that next. And
Okay.
I'm gonna post like 1 or 2, and then you're gonna take it over from there. The hardest
Okay, and
part
this
is
will
getting
be
the
on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
But,
This is live right now.
okay. I can check this later for reference if need be.
Absolutely. I'll show you where it's at. And we went generalized on this, so we didn't make them specific for like furniture, which or home and garden, which we could. I'm just doing a different, like more of a shotgun approach, but it'll still work. It's still shopping related. Um, doesn't quite match up, and so, but it's worth the experiment to pace these out too. And it's going to a different page. It doesn't matter which ad they click on. We're throwing out a lot of, I call them fishing lines with this. We're doing 19 times 2, right? Which is 38. 38 different on this, and then we're doing 12 on the other one. All in essence go into the same thing, just different versions of it. So there's our headlines. And now I'm going to come back here and do the same code I did before. Right here. Only we're going to use a different link, right? So we're use our travel one. Boom. And I'll sit back and relax while ChatGPT does all the work. And then I just got to copy and paste it into our template to copy and paste to do the ads. And these are literally, you can use these over and over again in different locations. So we're going to use them on US net ads and all the various connected there, but we can run this in so many other places too. Oh, and the time it took me to tell you all that, we're pretty much done. So 17, 18, and 19.
So I post each one once in this different locations.
Yeah, you'll see. You're gonna post them. Yeah, you'll see. Okay, so let me hurry and copy these over.
What do I do when I eventually run out of stuff to post?
You'll never run out. I guess you just create more like I do. You never run out. It's never ending. We have too many things to market that are all in demand, the things that people want. We got to get the word out. We will never run out. And if you ever thought we did, don't worry. I'm bringing you more things. Like it just never ends. You'll never. This is something you'll never like say I'm done ever. The more you do, the more you do. And some things are work better than others. But it's priming the pump for what we do with search engine optimization, because the more relative and relevant and content driven clicks that you drive to your pages, the more that's recognized with Google and in the ranking systems. So you want to get traffic going to you based on these keywords and the stuff that's going on. So these are travel related to a travel link. That's what you want. Everything we're doing is, I mean, this is how it goes. So here goes. I'm just trying to buzz through these. Make sure that it matches it, and so far it does. So I did it in the order that I did it. I asked it the way I asked it. Garbage in, garbage out. Don't ask AI to do the right thing. You're not going to get the right thing. You have to know how to use it. So, and I just showed everybody here one way to do it for what we do here. Yeah, you know, AI has been around for a long time. I don't know if people realize it or not. I mean, but it has been, and it's been getting better and better and better and better. And it takes care and does a lot more things than I think people realize. And in the business world, you can use things they're watching be used, and then I'm definitely using it and teaching it. We'll be doing more and more things with it. But this is just for copywriting right now. It's a great copywriter. It's going to give me stuff to do and type out there, and yeah, I can create my own or come up with something different all the time. But I mean, Matt, for you get to run with like this is a wealth of ads for you to place.
Nice, thanks.
Yeah, well, you're about to do all the heavy lifting here in a second, where and it's actually really simple, but you need images. So so you don't have access to the Dropbox.
I don't think so, no.
Okay, I've sent it to you, but I'm going to show you how to do this in the other way. And you only need a couple pictures. You can reuse the pictures over and over again.
Okay.
I love to talk back and forth with ChatGPT. So I'm done with that. I'm going to close it out. I'm done. Here's your ads. Now I need pictures. So I'm going to go to Dreamtime. We have I pay for server licensing on all of our art, and I'm going to come here. I'm going to get I want savings club and see what comes up for that image. I don't want BJ's. I'm not sure about that one, but let me look. That actually was I just need one good image for this. Um, nope. Under travel, it's pretty broad. I think I might have this picture already, but I'm just going to grab it. And I'm paying to use it now. And I'm going to grab the image. I'm going to resize the image. I'm going to go to 800. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to come to the template. This is your template you're going to be using. I'm
That's
going
my
to click
template?
on. Yeah, you have this. It's in the this. I built this for you, Matt and XXY4. You have this in your Google Drive.
Thanks.
Okay, so I'm going to click here, and the URL I'm marketing this is the business opportunity one. So I'm going to go back here for travel. So it's this one right here, and it's the second set. It's the second set. The URL we're going to use. So actually, it doesn't matter. I'm making you travel pictures. I'll be there in a second. So
Yeah,
where's
what
my
do I usually
downloads?
put down for the URL anyway?
Well, I'm going to show you how to do it. Bear with me a second though. Nope, I lost it. Dreams. Downloads. And so this is where I'm going to place the ad. The first ad, it doesn't matter. This is shopping, but I'll click on this. This is where we're going to post the ad. So you'll click on that. It's right on the template. And I'll click post ads. And we're going to add an image. And the image has size 800 by 800. That's the size limit's 1024 KB. Width and height have to be under 800. So I'm going to come here. Where's my here? And I'm going to do 800 by 600 is fine. And it's got to be under 12. It's got to be under 1200. So this is perfect. And I'm going to hit save. And I'm going to save it as travel SHG. And I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it there. I'm also going to hit save as. And I'm going to save it in the Dropbox for everybody too. Travel. So I'll put it there. I'll close that out. And I want to do, so we did travel, and you can use that same one. Make money. Let's see. Make money online. We have a lot of these ones. We'll do this one.
Of choice.
There's tons of them. They look great. So I got to resize it. 800. That's great on the size. 800 by 800. So I got to go a little bit smaller. Perfect. Save. And
And this is all going in the 40 you're sharing?
I'm going to send this to you. So bear with me. Downloads. Okay. And then let's see, what was the other category we had? So make money. That's over here. So we had make money. So that's travel. We got the travel image, savings and benefits. So we need a couple more pictures like that. So we got more make money. So let's see travel and then savings. Okay. Save online. This is fine. Resize image. I'm gonna go to 800. That's perfect. Save. Save money key. Save. And save as. I'm gonna save it somewhere else too. Dropbox. And here we go. Okay, so I saved them in 2 places. And then I'm gonna send these to you, Matt.
Okay, thanks.
I'll pull this up. Downloads. Save money key, this one, and this one. You're gonna want to save these to your download area, and then you use these to upload ads. Okay. Now, I'm at the top. I have to go have a dinner, guys. So next meeting we'll post ads. If I haven't done it with you before then, Matt, but we got a lot done today.
Okay, thanks.
I'll stop my share. I'm gonna send this to you.
So just to be sure, I gotta set up a free account with these guys I post ads from.
Yeah, hold on 1 second. Yeah, you'll set up an account with them, and I'll show you how to do that. So those are catching this, catch the next VIP hour, and we'll post ads. So next week, I'm gonna post ads with you, Matt. If you haven't done them by then, we'll post ads.
Okay. I'll try to do it myself and see what happens.
Yeah. If you watch how I've done these anywhere else before, you can do it. I just got a hard stop. I might do an appendage to this and tie that in there. But and I'll do a live thing where I can do it. So I'll see if I can do it before then. But right now, next Wednesday, if we haven't done it before then, we'll do that. But you know how I am. I'll probably do it here sooner. All right, guys. God bless everyone. We'll keep going and see you guys in the next hour. We're doing this next Wednesday. Hope you guys all learned something. And now we'll actually post the ads by next time. So this was ad creation.